take a pass through the alphabet soup of veterinary public health. Because once you know who regulates what, everything suddenly becomes way less confusing. Let's start with the CDC. Their authority comes from the Public Health Service Act, and they handle human health, zoonoses, and outbreaks. If people are getting sick, CDC is involved. USDA APHIS handles animal health, foreign animal diseases, surveillance, movement control, under the Animal Health Protection Act. But APHIS also regulates veterinary biologics, meaning animal vaccines, diagnostic kits, and biologic therapeutics. APHIS also enforces parts of the Animal Welfare Act, including rules against horse soring. USDA FSIS regulates very specific food categories: meat from cattle, swine, sheep, and goats, poultry, processed egg products, and Siluriformes fish. Yes, catfish and catfish-like species. FSIS inspectors are in slaughter plants every day under the Federal Meat Inspection Act, the Poultry Products Inspection Act, and the Egg Products Inspection Act. All food that isn't regulated by FSIS falls under FDA. That includes shell eggs, produce, seafood and shellfish, dairy, and pet food and treats. Plus, FDA regulates animal drugs, feed additives, medicated feeds, human drugs, medical devices, and even tobacco products, all under the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. FSMA, AMDUCA, and the Veterinary Feed Directive. EPA regulates pesticides and disinfectants under FIFRA, water quality under the Clean Water Act, hazardous waste under RCRA, and toxic releases under CERCLA or Superfund. And state, county, and local agencies handle rabies control, bite investigations, quarantines, shelters, and reportable diseases. They're the frontline enforcement. So here's a clean summary for you. FSIS regulates meat, poultry, processed eggs, and catfish. FDA regulates everything else you eat or feed, and drugs and devices and tobacco. APHIS regulates animal health and veterinary biologics and welfare enforcement. CDC oversees human health. EPA regulates pesticides, water, waste. And finally, state and local provide enforcement and public-facing control. Once you see the full picture, the regulatory world finally snaps into place. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share for more.